Hey there. This is my dirt bike. Can't really ride it right now. Rode it the other day for like 5 minutes. Busted a piece off this piston. Hold on there. There you go, you can see it right there. Can't ride it now. Pretty sure it's the crank bearings. So that's a normal problem with these bikes. And it's gonna cost me a little bit of money. Another thing, it's the idiot I had it before me. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on. But he welded the sprocket on there. So, probably gonna have to get a new shaft and sprocket. That really sucks. And another thing is, not really a problem, but I got a new tire. Right here, this is a Bridgestone. Really good tire right here. Really grab. Really good tire. I recommend it. But yeah, I got tore apart right here. And it sucks. Summer, and I can't ride.